Now, we demonstrate how to activate a battery with a DC voltage regulator.
首先你要有一个 AC 220的电源接口。
We need a 220 volts power.
然后连接我们的设备。
We connect the power.
好，然后打开开关。
Turn on the power.
按下智能按钮。
Press the start/stop button.
这是电流。
This is a current.
这是电压。
That is a voltage.
首先把电流调至最大。
Step 1, we adjust the current to the maximum.
你可以看到电压的指示灯亮起。
Then we can see the green instruction light is on.
然后调整这个参数至14.4。
Step 2, we adjust the voltage to 14.4 volts. Around.
OK. 现在连接我们需要充电的电池。
Step 3, to connect the battery.
OK. 如果有电流显示的话，说明正常在充电，已经激活了。
If there is a current date displayed, that means activation is successful.
如果这里没有电流的话，我们可以采用另外一种方式。
If no current date is displayed, we need to switch to another way to activation, the touch activation.
取下1根连接线，然后反复触碰。
We touch repeatedly until there is a current date displayed.
直至有电流出现。
If we see the current date is displayed on the left side, and it means the battery has been activated.
如果这两种方式都没有显示的话，请联系我们的业务员。
If the battery has still not been activated, please contact to our sales.
OK.
Okay.